Let's work on this example. And this histogram illustrates a right-skewed frequency distribution. You see the tail toward the right. And based on the axis labels. So the horizontal, the x-axis is ring cost. The y-axis is the number of people. And the bin size, the bin means the class, also called a group, width, and simply just an interval. So for each bin, starting from 0, 0.5K, 1K, 1.5K, to 2.53. So the size is 0.5K or just $500. This question is not really right. So here is what we have learned. Mode has the highest frequency. So for this question, actually this asks not the value of the mode, it asks model class, or you say bin, which includes the mode. It means the highest bar. So highest bar you see is the first one. And for each bin, each class, lower bound is from 0, upper bound 499. For the each interval, this upper bound to the next class, next bin. So it go 0.499, right? $499. Here is for the next bin, next class. So the answer is the mode in this model bin. It is 0 to 499. That means a lot of people, they choose to buy a ring less than $500. Now let's talk about the median. You know, if the given is not a histogram, just a data set size n, right? Based on the n, if n is odd, suppose here we have 5 numbers, then we line up. So from the smallest to the largest. So the minimum to the maximum, like then this one is the median. So right in the middle. 2 in front, less than, 2 behind, greater than. For n is even, suppose we have 6 numbers, also from minimum to maximum line up. And we choose 2 numbers right in the middle. So they both added together divided by 2. So that's the median. For this example, we only know this given chart. So here are the steps how to find the median. First, let's look for the data size, 1640 people. So n is 1640. And second, let's get the half, so 820. So this is 819, 819. Or you just 820, 820, because half, if you don't count, it doesn't really matter because the n already kind of big. So it about half in front, half behind. And then next, let's count the bars. What does that mean? So from the first bar, so roughly here is about 260, right? Here is, let's see, 220. You don't need to be very accurate. If it's too rough, we can adjust, right? Like maybe here is 225, but it's okay. We could just choose easy, simple numbers. And let's add this first 3 bars, right? First 3 bars. So 260, 220 is equals 690. So not reach 820 yet, right? 819 yet. So we need to add the first bar. So here is about 150 or 151. It doesn't really matter, like 150. So 150, it is 840. So we see we add this first bar, it passed 820. So then we know first, second, third bar only has the total 690. So then we know, because we have to, this right in the middle, we have to pass 820, right? Or just exactly 819. First bar, the rectangle here is 1.5K, 2K, right? So we found this beam, this rectangle bar here is 1.5K, 2K. So we know medium is in this beam, in this class. So we know the medium in this beam, or you call class, actually in the first, right, first beam, it is 1.5K. The upper bound is 1.99K, right? It's 1500 to 1999.